My name is Brian Weiser, call me Bud. I am with Sigma Pi Fraternity and we are doing our Sam Spady Foundation project, the Regatta.
Got ball.
Oh, let's do two.
That's a lot of cock.
I'm Amy Shuddy, Sammy Nelson, and we're with Delta Phi Epsilon, and we are building a boat for Sigma Pi's boat regatta, and we plan on doing some work and being on team domination right here. We're probably going to win, and it's going to be really cool because we're really probably just in the sink.
Like to give out goes to the people who tried to build a boat, but I don't know how they did it, but they lost before the race even started. The two of the dumbest guys I know. Papa John and Dorothy, Titanic award. Good job, fellas. All right, second award. Yes, good job. Go on, kid. Best looking boat goes to the Ghostbusters team. Let's hear it.
Shit.
And of course, coming in first place, the only boat to actually finish the race. Yeah. Slow but steady, fly cap aside. Good job, fellas.
Zigzag all over the place.
Cover the entire line.